found Dr. Pankaj Rao's name came up, and we found other dentists as well, or endodontists, and some had, good reviews, but not great reviews, and some had honestly pretty terrible reviews. And when we got to her page, it had only good reviews. It was like the highest rating out there. She had tons of years of experience, and it just made me feel a lot more calm about the whole, because I was nervous about initially going to another country. I was hoping to go to Canada, get home and get it done there, but it's also very expensive to do it in Canada. So after a little more research, we started deciding that that was probably the best option for me, and we called Oraa Care Smile, and I think they answered, we called that day, and I think I was talking to Dr. Rao that day. It was either that day or the next day, and she was kind of answering all my questions, and I was talking about my case with her because I had my information from the dentist in Australia. And I just felt really calm talking to her on the phone. She knew exactly how to handle it, and she told me that we'd be able to do it in a couple of days because we were only coming to India for a couple of days. So that was really nice. I arrived in India on Thursday night, and right away on Friday I was doing a single sitting root canal, which is amazing. And today, Saturday, I've done the crown now, so I've got it all done in 2 days, which is amazing. But I did come in to the clinic. I remember I was so nervous and just anxious about having a root canal done, not even about the clinic or about my endodontist, just about the experience. And I said that to Dr. Rao right away, and she just calmed me down. She was like, "What are you nervous about? This is gonna be great, you're gonna do well." And then it really did go really well. She was really careful throughout the whole thing, and I could tell she was making sure, that it was all done really well and really efficiently, but also I was comfortable and I wasn't in any pain at all, which is really big for me because I often go to the dentist and I'm in pain. So it was really nice that I was comfortable. In fact, when we were doing the local anesthesia, when we were letting it set in, she was able to do a different filling just really quickly before we even got to the root canal, which is amazing. So now I'm leaving with my whole mouth is all dealt with. I've got my root canal, my crown, my filling, and I'm gonna take way better care of my teeth because I finally learned how important that is. And I'm just really happy that I found this clinic. Not only was she wonderful, but all of the staff here were so great. They made us feel so comfortable. We were fed a meal, and it was delicious yesterday and today, and just treated really lovely. So it was a really good experience. I went from being so afraid to feeling so calm about it. I've already called my family and I was like, "She was wonderful, you have to get all your teeth done here." So they were laughing about that, but it was just a really, really pleasant experience. It's 5 out of 5 for me. I would recommend it to anyone. I would literally talk somebody's ear off about this place. The clinic was so clean, everything was clean, everyone was friendly, everyone was helpful. I had so many questions because I was nervous, and they answered everything, which I asked too many questions, but it was just really reassuring and really nice to be treated like that. So I'm really, really happy, and I would recommend it to anyone. Please come here to Oraa Care Smile. It's so good. You won't regret it.